Shankar's International Dolls Museum, vintage dolls from Spain, a timeless gift.
Dressed in handmade garments, these handcrafted Spanish dolls that showcase Spain's heritage were presented to Sri K. Shankar Pillai in the 1960s.
These stunning flamenco dancers wear the traditional traje de flamenca, form-fitting with flared ruffles and bold prints. The dresses were handmade with real fabric from the 1960s, now rare to find. Original, unaltered, authentic. Wholly original. We don't dress or restore old exhibits, as that would weaken their authenticity and cultural value. Yes, the fabrics have aged. Every wrinkle holds decades of history. Handmade and carefully stitched. This cloth was common then, but nearly impossible to find today. A true textile treasure. From Spain to us, through time and tradition, these dolls are more than mere exhibits. They are storytellers in silken threads and embroidery stitches. The delicate threadwork on these dolls' dresses is a fading art, giving these dolls their unique vintage charm.
Not all dolls wear flamenco dresses. Some wear folk costumes from different regions of Spain. All outfits were handcrafted with unique cuts and vintage fabrics that are almost extinct today. A rare collection, not because of age, but because such handcrafted dolls are not made anymore. They belong to a world of skilled artisans and slow art. Some dolls may appear spooky to you. Their painted eyes have faded over the decades. Look at it this way. It's history peeking through. This traditional doll is from Pontevedra, a province in the Galicia region of Spain. The costume is characterized by a black bodice, a red skirt, and a colorful headdress. The headdress is particularly distinctive with its multiple layers of flowers and ribbons. The doll, dressed in regional attire, is a common souvenir and representation of Spanish folklore. From the Andalusian region of Spain, notice the round hat, which is a common element in Aragonese folk costumes. The sash around the waist is another typical feature of Aragonese dress. A combination of breeches and stockings is seen in traditional Aragonese clothing. The footwear resembles espadrilles, which are traditional shoes worn in various parts of Spain, including Aragon. A regional dress from Extremadura, Spain. A black bodice adorned with colorful embroidery and gold trim. The skirt has a red and black base, is embroidered, and often features a ruffled hem. The skirt is paired with a white blouse that has embroidered sleeves. A headdress or hairstyle incorporating ribbons and flowers completes the picture. The costume reflects the traditional dress worn by the women in Extremadura on festive occasions, and particularly for folk dances. Specific details and embellishments can vary depending on the town or village within the region.
From Spain to India, these dolls connect cultures, a treasure trove of the past.
Stay tuned for more doll stories from around the world. Better still, visit the Shankar's International Dolls Museum. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for more magic.